Good work. The rebels will be damn glad to get their hands on this cargo. Let's head out. Tell them where to find the plane later. This is a commendation. Looks like it came from a box of cereal, or the Air Force or something.
This document mentions an Unidad captain who sends prisoners to Yuri and Polito for interrogations. He's gotta know where our lovebirds are. But he's sitting in an Unidad firebase.
Go Whispering Sweet, nothing's in your ear. We're just taking a break in our all corrido, all the time programming to let you know that Santa Blanca's own internet sensation, La Plaga, now has a new website. You can find his personal blog and all the video content you can handle. Those of you who log on to his old website will be redirected to the new website that includes an archive of all your favorite La Plaga videos. And now, back to Más Música.